His mom said I've been crossing borders. Never be afraid, even when you're cornered. Stand up straight, fight your way, fight your way, fight your way. All these people here, staring and looking at me, shaking their heads, eyes down strong on me. What's wrong with me? Can you tell me now? What's wrong with me? Can you tell me now? The anger, the cruelty, I deserve it. And I'd do anything to be what they call perfect. Then maybe I could find a place to call my own and belong. But if only I was strong, I'd be walking with my eyes down, eyes down, eyes down. I'll keep my eyes down, eyes down, eyes down. Mom said I've been crossing borders. Never be afraid, even when you're cornered. Stand up straight, fight your way, fight your way, fight your way. Through the borders, through the borders, through the borders. Fight your way, fight your way. Through the borders, through the borders, through the borders. Fight your way, fight your way. Stand up, fall down, up again. Up against the pressure I'm in. Slowly but surely I begin. Jumping trains cause I know I can win. Oh, fear not cause I know I'm in his hands. Though I can't see, I know there's a plan. So thick the fog, but I know I can trust the feelings that I feel when the road's rough. I gotta be tough with my eyes down,